Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install HOTSTAR on your Samsung 7 Series TV. You will need to be signed in to do this. So we're going to want to bring up the app menu here. So if you're on this bit here, just press up on your arrows here. This is enter, the middle button. Just keep pressing up until it comes up with this line with all your apps here. We want to work our way over to the left hand side. And you can see we have a button there for apps. Press enter. And we want to go to search. This TV's broken, but the icon is just here. So if you press up and work your way over to app search, press enter, and you're going to type in HOTSTAR. So I'm just going to go across here, H-O-T, and I can see it's brought it up here. So I'm just going to work my way up. You might have to put in STAR, but you can see on my one I just had to type in HOT and it's here, and I'm going to press enter. And now I'm going to go to install, and now it's installing. And now we have an option to open it, add it to home. I am going to add it to home, so I'm just going to go to close there, because then it's going to come up on the home screen. So I'm going to press enter to add to home. And it's asking me where I want to put it. So let's put it just before gallery there. You can put it to wherever you want. You can have it near the beginning or near the end. And that's it. Now we can go into it. And that's it. You've got your latest movies and your HOTSTAR specials there. So you can sign in like you normally would. Thanks for watching.